It's a nice, intimate, and cozy setting. We're saying it's so different from CEDIA's past, where we would cram so many people into a ballroom at a hotel somewhere off beyond. Now taking 3D home. You guys know well the story from Sony Pictures Home Entertainment. We've already introduced 4 Blu-ray titles for retail. We're also bundling Sony Pictures Home Entertainment content together with Sony Electronics content. Earlier this spring, every one of the 35 million estimated install base of PlayStation 3 around the world became upgradable for free for stereoscopic 3D gaming. And just this week, we've now pushed forward another firmware upgrade to make PlayStation 3 compatible with 3D Blu-ray. And so now everyone who owns a PlayStation 3 has a core component of that 3D ecosystem for 3D home. So we've already talked about the Bravia 3D line in multiple venues. I'll remind you that we have 10 models currently. And most recently, we've added to that lineup with a model that you'll see out on our floor. It's the one on the swivel that's turning around. A very thin LED edge-lit beauty called the NX810. I think you'll agree with me, it is one of the most beautiful televisions we've ever made. It is a fantastic 2D high-definition television with all the capabilities that you would expect in a high-end product, with the 3D feature set that provides entertainment today and assurances that people at home will enjoy 3D long into the future. Take these televisions and marry them up with the great line of 3D Blu-ray disc players that we have, and you start to see a home entertainment ecosystem come together that really does deliver on all the values that the customer wants for enjoying great 3D packaged content at home.
The newest member of Sony's HD family, the ES product line is supported by a promise from Sony around more than just great hardware and more than just a great in-home experience, but also we back it with a 5-year warranty. We back it with a CEDIA-trained technical support team. We back it with a 90-day advanced exchange, making it easier for our custom install vendors as well as our home technologists and our specialists to be able to make the installation experience easy for ES. But more important than any of those things, about 3 months ago or so, in early summer, we had made an announcement that we were completely committed to this channel, not just by providing great hardware, but by providing great access to the product. The ES product, as of the latest releases of the hardware, has been limited to only those dealers that provide an offline installation experience. We're not allowing online sales of the ES product, although we do allow online merchandising, but we're very, very committed as a company to taking back and earning our fair share of this business. We're committed so much that we actually have staff that are committed to taking down non-authorized dealer sites and enforcing our policies that we have for take a look at the 3 key audio-video receivers that we released earlier this summer. They're the 5600, the 4600, and the 3600, all 3D compatible receivers, with the 5600 being the best of the best. It has features such as full HDMI 1.4a support, which provides for simplified operation, as well as our 3D pass-through and audio return channel, providing audio content from the TV to be listened through the receiver directly. The 5600 also provides consumers access to additional satellite services. We've got built-in Shoutcast, Rhapsody, and Sirius in this year's product. And of course, we've got our iPhone control application. What that allows us to do is the ability to not only control the receiver, but also all other system components. And our iPhone app also supports multi-zone operation. We've carried through this year our digital cinema auto calibration, and we're proud to announce across the entire ES product line, or receiver product line, auto phase matching. Specifically within the 5600 ES, we have something we call exclusive speaker relocation technology, which allows our custom installers and home technologists to be able to provide a virtual angling of speakers in home, which provides the most ideal acoustic position for the product. The 5600 also supports multi-room and multi-zone flexibility that you would expect from the Sony product. And to that end, we've partnered with all major home automation companies, and we are now providing easy access to drivers, to make it, again, an easy experience for our custom installers and the home technologists to be able to install and get our devices working with all of these major home automation companies. But the audio experience is not the only ES product that we're here to talk about. We also have source product. The BD 1700 ES is our integrator model of our Blu-ray, and I believe today we were recognized by CE Pro as being one of the best source devices, so thank you for that recognition. But what makes this device so important to the custom install channel, we believe, is the fact that we made it easy to install. The IR port on the back allows for easier installation, also reduces overall customer service calls and improves customer satisfaction for our custom installers. This device also supports not only our Blu-ray 2D, but our Blu-ray 3D products. SACD, compact disc, DVD, it provides access and usability for all content sources. Bravia Internet Video, our home network of content channels, of which we have about 30 plus, including Netflix and Pandora and others, is also available on the 1700 ES. Personal media sharing. This device is DLNA compliant, which makes it easier for our consumers to be able to access content from any DLNA compliant device and making more use of personal contents.